Imagine this. You're sitting in your favorite coffee shop, sipping that perfect latte, browsing through social media on the free Wi-Fi. Life's good, right? But suddenly, everything freezes. You'll see a pop-up you've never seen before asking for your password. Your heart races, hands tremble, and then it hits you. Did you just hand over your personal information to a cybercriminal? Sounds terrifying, doesn't it? But here's the real kicker. It could happen to anyone, and it might be happening to you right now without you even knowing it. Public Wi-Fi, the modern-day convenience we all love, is actually a playground for hackers, data thieves, and all sorts of digital predators. But why is this? And more importantly, how can you protect yourself? Stick around, and by the end of this video, you'll be armed with the knowledge to stay safe while connected. Now let's dive into the nitty-gritty. Public Wi-Fi networks, like the ones at your favorite cafe, airport, or hotel, are often unsecured. This means that anyone with a little know-how can intercept your data. We're talking about your emails, your bank details, your social media passwords, everything. Hackers love these open networks because they don't even need to break a sweat to get your information. With simple tools, they can snoop on your traffic, plant malicious software on your device, or even set up fake Wi-Fi networks that look legit but are actually traps. But wait, there's more. Ever heard of man-in-the-middle attack? No, it's not the title of the latest spy thriller. It's a sneaky tactic where hackers position themselves between you and the website you're trying to visit. They can then eavesdrop on your conversation or alter your communication without you ever knowing. Think you're sending your credit card into a secure site? Think again. It might be going straight to a cybercrook. Now you might be thinking, so what am I supposed to do? Never use public Wi-Fi again? Well, don't worry. We're not suggesting you go off the grid. There are ways to protect yourself, and they're simpler than you might think. First of, always use a virtual private network, or VPN for short. It's like a secret tunnel for your internet traffic. Even if a hacker gets hold of your data, they won't be able to read it because it's encrypted. It's like sending your information in code. They might have the message, but they'll never be able to crack it. Next, be cautious about the websites you visit on public Wi-Fi. Stick to HTTPS sites. They're more secure and encrypt your data. And for the love of all tech things, don't conduct sensitive transactions like banking or shopping on public Wi-Fi unless you're using that trusty VPN. And here's a pro tip. If you're not actively using Wi-Fi, turn it off. This simple step reduces your exposure to potential attacks. Plus, it saves your battery. Win-win, right? So, is public Wi-Fi convenient? Absolutely. But is it safe? Well, that's up to you. Stay safe, stay secure, and when you're armed with the right tools and knowledge, you can enjoy the convenience without falling into the traps set by the cybercriminals. I'll see you again soon. Bye-bye, and thanks for reading, watching, and listening.